In this video, we'll look at how to change the hard drive on an iX Mark IV controller. There may be several different reasons you want to do this, either to replace a failed drive or to upgrade to a larger drive size. You will need the key provided with the iX controller, and first of all we must unlock this so we can access the drives. Next we'll push the eject button, once to open and twice to release the hard drives. Once the drives have been released, we must remove the casing so we can change these. There are two screws on the back of the drive which must be removed. Once these have been removed, we can simply pull the casing away from the hard drives. Now, depending if we're removing one or both drives, we can remove 4 or 8 screws here. 2 screws in the top for the top drive, or the 2 screws in the bottom for the bottom drive. In this example, we'll just remove the top drive. Once these screws have been removed, we can simply pull the drive away from the connector and remove this. Then once you have your replacement or upgraded drive, we can push this back into the connector until we hear a small click. Once again, we will add the screws back in, making sure that everything is firmly attached. Finally, we can add the outer casing and reattach the 2 screws that hold this in place. Once this is done, we can add this back into the iX controller and lock it in place with the small key.